Consuming stale or improperly prepared chicken tikka masala from a hotel, especially if it appears excessively oily or has a burnt or sour taste, can potentially cause stomach upset or food poisoning due to bacterial contamination or spoiled ingredients. While the dish itself isn't inherently dangerous, ingredients like expired chicken or excessive oil can be. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Stale or expired ingredients. Using old or expired chicken or other ingredients like cheese or cream that have gone bad can introduce harmful bacteria into the dish. This can lead to food poisoning symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. Excessive oil. While chicken tikka masala often contains cream and oil, excessive amounts can cause indigestion and discomfort, particularly for individuals with sensitive stomachs. Burnt or sour taste. Burnt food can be a sign of improper cooking. And the burnt taste itself can be unpleasant. A sour taste, especially in the sauce, could indicate that the dish has been left out too long or that the ingredients have spoiled. Excessive sourness can also be a result of using too much tamarind or other sauce spices. Food safety. Proper storage and cooking practices are essential in food service. Restaurants should adhere to hygiene standards and discard expired ingredients to prevent foodborne illnesses. What to do? If you suspect food poisoning, seek immediate medical attention, especially if symptoms are severe. If you notice questionable ingredients or preparation, inform the restaurant staff and consider avoiding the dish. When choosing food, opt for dishes prepared with fresh ingredients and look for reputable restaurants with good hygiene practices. When eating at a hotel restaurant, prioritize checking the freshness and quality of the food, as well as the cleanliness of the dining area. Look for restaurants that offer authentic dishes and have positive reviews about food quality and service. If you are unsure, try a thali for a variety of signature dishes or ask the staff for recommendations. Detailed considerations. Food quality and freshness. Ensure the restaurant uses fresh, high quality ingredients, especially when it comes to meats and seafood. If you are unsure about the freshness of a dish, don't hesitate to ask.